Average American makes about 66 grand per year. It's a good amount of money. You take a couple, that's what, 66 plus 66, 120, 132, something like that per year. It's a good amount of money. Over $8,000 some dollars per month. Now, the problem is majority of Americans are broke. Majority of them, that 8,000 is gone by the time the middle of the month comes, or for many, it's even gone before the month starts. Now, what I want to talk about in this video is the foundational principle of business that's really transformed things for me to allow me to not stay on that spectrum where everything is just gone at every single moment. And what happens is you have two types of people. You have creators and you have consumers, right? And if you spend so much time on the consuming side and not enough time on the creating side, you're gonna always have that deficit there. No matter how much money you make, you're always gonna have that deficit, and you're always gonna be on the side who does not have enough. Now, when you begin to understand that you are creating, and it can even be an employee, maybe you're creating a reputation for how skilled you are at the job you do. Phenomenal. You're gonna make more and more money as the time goes. But as someone who creates, you want to make sure what you are creating is valuable for the other side. And so often as business owners, even those who continue to grow because their work is so diligent and they work so well, we forget this important part that we create for others. So the one that brought in $8 grand last year per month and wasn't able to keep it is because they gave it to someone who was providing enough value for them. They gave it to, look at their Amazon transactions, look at the property manager, or look at the builder that built their home, look at the one that gave them the loan. Whoever it is, they created something that's extremely valuable for mankind, and they have to fork over those funds because they either, like out of necessity, really need it, or they really see tremendous value in it. So if the marketplace and the world is creating things much more valuable for you, and you're not creating anything back, you're gonna lack. And as I create, as I build things, keeping that top of mind, that who am I building this for? How can I make this more valuable for them? And that's where I'll continue to be in abundance and have an overflow, because the way I create is not from only myself, but I create for someone else. That's why I love business so much, because you're serving someone, you're serving the other side. But in order to serve well, you need to know what it is that they need. Jesus Christ knew what we need when he died for our sins. He came to serve us exactly what we need. And now we have the freedom because of his service. So your business, it needs to solve something. And you need to get better and better at solving that over the years, so your life can continue to improve, because you are valuable to the marketplace. So I just wanted to remind you, because it changes everything for me, and I continue to build with that in mind, that I cannot grow if what I am creating, what I'm making, is not fruitful to other people. It's not fruitful to who I'm creating it for. So you entrepreneurs that love to create, many times we get stuck in our own mind and what it is that we want for ourselves. But I just want to remind you that keep the mind of your client, keep the mind of who you're creating it for in mind, and you're going to see your income increase substantially. You're going to see yourself actually feel more rewarded for creating something, and others able to value from what it is, others able to benefit from what it is that you create. If you like videos like this and you enjoy entrepreneurship, you enjoy all things business, and just want to live a greater life, subscribe to the channel, continue to like, comment, and watch the videos.